Hello and welcome to another update video on Dash. Dash was requested by some of our members on Discord, so I thought let's break it down together here on YouTube, because this is a chart that's currently moving up. I think it's the winner, based on coin market cap data of the last 24 hours, the winner. And we want to talk about the structures. I'm not impressed by the overall structure, and it's important to understand that the trend that you see on, the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, is literally just noise here when we consider the larger time frame. This here, whatever this is, which is not very clear because it's not a bullish chart, overall, is literally just noise. But let's start by zooming out first, because the problem with this chart is it's a 3-wave move up. A lot of long-term charts top after 3 waves, and then this is a chart that didn't even form a new all-time high in 2021, so it's essentially by definition a bearish chart. In fact, it might have put in a significant low in August 2024 and is now trying to recover a little bit, and it's working on a corrective bounce, something it did already in 2021. Okay, so after a 3-wave move up, technically speaking, a lot of different scenarios could play out. For example, I could also say that this pullback is an ABC structure, but it didn't reach ideal targets. The 100% extension would have been an ideal ABC target. A C wave can be shorter. It is clearly a 3-wave move down, but when it's shorter than the first one, it often is a 1-2 setup to the downside. So we have actually 5 waves down in wave 1, a clear 3-wave move up in wave 2, then another 5-wave move to the downside, and a 3-wave move up, and then we could go down further like that. The resistance area for the white 1-2 setup to the downside is between $97.52 and $245.62. That doesn't mean we couldn't break above it. We could. If it's bullish, it will break it. But this is the first test for the bulls or the bears, whatever way you want to frame it. But a break above $245, $246 would indicate this move up is more bullish than a wave 2 corrective bounce should be. But the formal invalidation point for the 1-2 setup to the downside, the bearish count, is located at the 2021 high at around $500. So it could technically move all the way up to $500 and be bearish. Crazy, but that is what it is. That's what cryptos are like. They create a lot of FOMO. Sometimes the rally is a lot larger than people assume, and then they buy the top and then it breaks down. Not a bullish chart at the moment. It can turn bullish if we get a solid 5-wave move up from the last lows here. Don't have that yet. If we get a 5-wave move up from the lows in June, and then a corrective pullback. Okay, so I need that corrective pullback. I need in yellow wave 2 a 3-wave move down. Let's first get 5 waves up. It would need another higher low and a higher high, and then 3 waves down. Then we have a setup. Now, obviously, the risk is super high. Super high, because we are far away from support and we have reached resistance, and the larger context isn't bullish. But the momentum is still up. So I'm not bearish right now, short term. Short-term trend is up. But we need to be mindful that the next resistances are very, very meaningful, especially here the golden ratio level at $142, and then the 78.6 retracement at $245. That's the update on Dash. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel as well for additional charts, news, updates, and much more. You can find a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.